Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the very beautiful chord E add 9. E add 9. Very easy chord to play. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Appreciate that very much. So let's get started. So this is the beautiful sound of E add 9. It's just an E major chord, and then you're adding your finger number 4 on this first string of the 2nd fret. Okay, to play this chord, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret. Then you place finger number 4, your small finger, on string number 1 of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings. E add 9. E add 9. You can kind of see what that sounds, kind of a suspension chord. Lifting your finger on and off that first string. Okay, again, to play E add 9, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then place finger number 4, your small finger, on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, strum all strings. E add 9, very beautiful chord. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the thumbs up. I'd appreciate that very much. Subscribe to my channel if you're not a current subscriber. I'd appreciate it very much. So have a great day. God bless you.